Hello friends, welcome to the Java session. In this video, we are going to discuss, packages in Java. How do you, what is the use of the package and how these packages are created in Java. Okay. Basically, when you say package, the package in Java is a mechanism to encapsulate the group of the classes, sub-packages, and interfaces. Okay, so when we are working with the Java project or Java programs, we know that there are a lot of classes are there and we have the interfaces are there. Okay, and even we have the sub packages. But first of all, how this package looks. Okay, the package is exactly like a folder in our operating system. In our OS we create folders, right? Why do we create a folders? Okay, to store the informations, right? So for example, or we can even create a folders to organize our files. For example, I have, imagine I'm a student, and I have certain documents which is related to the science subject. There are some documents which is related to the English and chemistry and maths, okay, and Hindi, like that. So if I want to keep the all the files separately, okay, the science file separately, maths file separately, and English files separately. So what we do, we first create a English folder, and we create a maths folder, and we create a social folder, or we create a chemistry folder, like this. And we, in the English, we will store the documents which are related to the English. In the maths, we will store the document which are related to the maths. In the social, we store the document which are related to the social, like that. So why do we do this? It is, I want to easily search my document, or I want to avoid the collision of, like, mixing of all the datas, right? So the same way, in my project, I have lot of classes and lot of interfaces, right? So if you take a real time project, there may be 2000 or lakhs together files will be there, and all the files are not related to the same topic. They are related to the different topic. Okay, so for example, if I'm taking an online shopping, uh, online shopping website. Let us imagine we are working on online shopping website project. So what we do here, guys, we are creating the classes. Okay, we are creating the product classes, we are creating customer class, we are creating order class, we are creating cart class, and we are creating the payment class. Like this, there are so many classes we created. And even we create a product service classes also we create. Okay, service classes where it does the business logic. And we do create a classes which are related to the database. Okay, so that we can call it as a repository classes. Okay, and we do create a certain classes which are related to the exceptions. Means I want to handle the exception, so we create a exception related classes. So now what I want to do here is, in this project, to make the things more simple, I want to store all this information separately. So for example, this product, customer, order, cart, payment, it is related to the information. So in the product we store a product information, in customer we store a customer information, and we know we call this as a entity class, or we call this as a model classes. So we store this in one particular package, and I want to store this in another package, I want to store this in another package, this is in another package, so that I can easily identify the classes in case I want to do such changes in the customer. So I know the customer is an entity class, so I'll directly go to the entity package and I will open the customer and we will do the changes in this. Okay, so it is the package concept is exactly related to the folder concept in your operating system, like the way we create a folders and files to segregate the information. The same way in our project, if I want to create a folder, but we don't say it is as a folder, rather we say it is a package. So I create a package and I will store the information in the respective, means classes and interfaces in the respective package. Okay, so the advantages of the package, why are you, now we understood what is a package. Okay, so in simple term we can say package is a collection of dot class files, or we can say the package in Java is a mechanism to encapsulate the group of classes. What do you mean by encapsulate? I want to hide, or I want to store all the information inside this container, that is the package. So in other words, simple term, we can say package in Java is a collection of dot class files. It stores the collection of dot class files. And what is the advantage of it? Why do you use the package? Okay, so the package one, the main reason we are using here is the preventing the naming conflicts. The one advantage you already understood, that is separation of the classes, or organizing the classes in a particular order according to their usage, according to their functionality, okay, according to their business logic. But another advantage of using the package is preventing the naming conflicts. What do you mean by that? See, when we are working in a project, imagine I'm taking another project where there is a college management project is there, and I'm creating there are two employee classes I want to create. One employee which is there in the CSC department, another employee which is there in the electronic and engineering department. So this employee properties are different, functionalities are different, this employee properties and functionalities are different. So I want to create a two employees. But if I don't create a package and I want to create a two employee, it is not possible. As you all know, in a single folder we cannot save the same file twice. The same way, in the single project I cannot store the two employee classes, okay, in there. So to avoid that, what we are doing, we are creating the package. Okay, so this package here is different and this package here is different. So here college is the main package. As we know, the package contains the sub packages. So the college is the main package, in that sub package staff, in that sub package CSC, and then in that I'm storing the employee, and then I'm creating the college, means the same package. And next one sub package is also same, but in this package, in the staff package, I have the two packages, one is CSE, one is EE. So inside EE I'm going to create another employee class. Okay, the next advantage is making searching, locating, and usage of the classes, interfaces, and enumerations and annotations are easy. Just now I told you, if I give you the example here, I am a student, I'm storing this information in the separate folders. Okay, so what is the advantage of that? By I can easily search the file, I can easily locate the file. I can easily go to the particular file and I can modify the files, right? The same way, if we are going for a package, okay, so I want to modify the content of this employee class, so I can easily go to this particular package and I can modify this employee class, or I can open this particular employee class. So that is the second advantage. And third advantage is providing the controlled access, means we can hide the access to the particular properties or methods or the classes. Okay, so depending on the level, like every user or every client cannot use all the classes. Okay, so there are some things we need to hide, because there are some important sensitive informations will be there, which everyone will not be required it. So you want to hide the information, that also we can achieve it by using the package. So there is a protected and default, have the package level access control, means these two are the access specifiers. Protected and default are the access specifiers in Java. And protected you can access only in the child classes, and default you can access only within the package. You cannot access the information outside the package. If I am storing information in one package, the other package want to access that information, it is not possible. Okay, so if you want to hide certain information in that package level itself, then I can make that info as a default access specifier. And you want only the child classes should access that information, you don't want any other classes apart from child, then you can make it as a protected. So protected members is accessible by the classes in the same package and its subclasses in the same package as well as in the different package. And a default member means a default access specifier is accessible by the classes in the same package only. And next, one more advantage is packages can be considered as data encapsulation or data hiding. As I told you, we can make our information as a private, we can make our information as a protected. So by doing this, we can hide the information. And also we can use the packages to separate the .class file and .java file. See here, it is very important. Let us say I'm the developer, I'm working on a particular client project, and at the end of the project, okay, so end of the project, what we are supposed to do, guys, we have to deliver we have to hand over the project to the client, right? So when I'm handing over project to the client, I want to share only .class files with the client. Okay, so I don't want to share the .java files, because .java files contains the source code what I have written. So we are not interested to share the source code with the client. So he want only the project, so I will share only .class files. And if I'm not using any ID, if I'm working on the notepad, okay, let us say I'm creating the complete project by using notepad and command prompt. So in such case, I want to, at the end of the project, we need to sit and separate the .class file and .java files. But if you are using the package, then you don't need to do it from beginning. The .class files will be keep segregating, keep separating. Okay, that is the one more very important advantage of using the package. And also we can I have there are different packages. Now you understood what is a package. The package contains the collection of classes. So if I want one package classes to import it in another package, then because of this package we can just write one import statement rather than writing the different multiple import statement. For example, if I am having around 5 classes in one package, and okay, I want to use that in another package, so what we will do, we will say import package name and then class name, right? Mm, the same way I will write import like this. So if I want 5 classes, I will write a 5 import. But by using the package, you don't need to say here that many times the import. You just need to say package name followed by a dot star. So if you say the package name followed by dot star, it will import all the classes at one stretch. You don't need to write a multiple import statements. So that's what here I'm given the point. We can import collection of classes from one package to another package at one go instead of using many import statements. Okay, so that is about why we are using the package, or what are the advantages of using the package. And the next we have uh, two types of packages. One is a free defined packages and one is user defined package. What do you mean by predefined package? Java.long. Okay, we know that in our Java by default there is a one package that is java.long. And what is this java.long contains? As I told you, package basic mainly contains the collection of dot class files. Okay, and even it contains the interfaces. So the java.long is behaving like a packages, basically behaves like a library, and they provides us the predefined classes here. So for example, we are using system.out.println. System is a predefined class, and from where we are using that, that is from java.long package. And even we are using another user predefined class string. So string is a wrapper class. This is also present in java.long package. And we want to read um, a certain data, or there are so many other classes exceptions, and I want to work with the threads. So all these classes are present in java.long package. And what is this util package? It is for we have a lot of collection framework is there in Java. So all collection framework classes are comes in java.util package. And file handling means reading the data from file, writing the data to the file, that is present in java.io package. And if you want to work with the jdbc, okay, so I want to write the data to the database and I want to read the data from the database, then in that case I'll go to the sql package. So these are all the certain packages provided by the developers, okay, predefined. And in today's session, we are going to concentrate here more on user defined packages. Now I'll show you one simple example. How do you create a our own package, user defined package? For that, let us quickly create one program here. Okay, so I'm showing you here by using the notepad. Okay, so class sample, I'm writing one class by name sample. And first we have to write a main entry point of the program, public static void and main. And we are going for a string array, and go for open brace and close brace. And here we will use the system.out.println. Right, I'm just printing one simple message: hello, welcome to Java session. So now we will save this program. And for to save this program, in the D drive, I have created one folder by name sample folder. So here I'm going to save the program, and the program name I should give it as a sample, because class name is sample. So in Java, whatever the class name we have given, that should be the program name. So sample.java is the extension we have to use it. Now save this, and now I will run this program and show you how it works. Okay, to run this we need to use the command prompt, right? So first we have to set the path. So my programs are in D drive, so change to D drive. Then there is a sample folder, right? So sample folder, we need to switch to the sample folder. And in this folder I have a program, so I have to say java c and sample dot java. So now what happens, the program is compiled. Okay, so go to that folder and see here sample, okay, the dot class file is created. So java is, this is the source file and this is the dot class file. And just now I told you one of the advantage of using the package. Right now I have not used the package here, so without package I wanted to show you how the program is working. So this is the dot class, and when I don't use package, the both the class file and source file is there in the same uh, folder. But now I want to separate this, right? So what I will do, we will go for creating the package. So how do you create a package? Just give the keyword package. There is a reserved keyword in java, that is package. Okay, it is used to create a package. Then name of the package, let us say I'm giving the name of the package is the first package. So the first package is the name of the package, and in this, like, this is the naming convention. Means here we need to follow certain naming convention while giving the name to the package. So the name of the package should be lower, completely lower character, means small letters, and it should not have any space between the two words, and no specific no special symbols like at the rate or hash or dollar or percentage, like that. And even we should not use any numbers. Okay, so it is good that we can use only the collection of characters, and that's too, it should be in lower cases. And one and be make it more meaningful name, means according to your business logic. Okay, so what is the package name you want to create? So for example, that time I told you, if you are working on project, we have some services class. So in that case, if this class is related to the, let us say, student service, then you can say package name is service. Okay, or student service. So what all the classes you are storing in that, all are related to the service classes. Like that. And now just add this line and save it. And how do you recompile? If I simply recompile this, then this package will not be getting created. If you want, you can see here I am recompiling this. Okay, and is there any changes is happening in the folder? No changes is happening. Now to avoid that, what I will do, the first I will remove this dot class file, so that I can show you now once I create a package how the dot class file is creating. So to create a package, we need to use the different syntax here, that is hyphen d. So hyphen stands for D stands for directory. I want, as I told you, the package looks exactly similar to directory, so I'm asking the compiler to create a directory while it is compiling the program. So java c hyphen d and then dot, and then name of the class. Okay, sample dot java. And here I'm giving dot, that is for current directory. What is the current directory? Sample folder is the current directory. In this folder I want to create this package. If you want to create a package in the parent of current directory, then you should give dot dot. Okay, so when I give dot dot, it will going to create a package in D drive. Okay, so parent of current directory. What is the current directory? Sample folder is a current directory. Parent of this is D drive. So if you just give dot, that is current working directory. And if you give another dot, that is parent of current working directory. but now I want to create it in the current directory, so I will give only dot here, and then press enter. Okay, so now the program is compiled, and you can see here this folder where see, previously there was no folder by name first package, but now you can see there is a folder by name first package. And if I open this, see, we can see there is a dot class file is present. Okay, so this dot class file is the file which is generated after the compilation, and it contains only byte code. So the source file is here, and dot class file is here, so it is segregated, right? So now if I want to run this program, I have to use Java, and then if I simply say Java sample, okay, it is says could not find or load the main class, because in the sample folder dot class file is not there. The dot class file is there in the current package, means first package folder, right? So when I'm running the program, I need to use the class followed by package name. So first package dot sample. Now we can see I'm getting the message, hello, welcome to Java session. Okay, so like this we have to create a package. Now if you want to create another program here in the same package, I want to create another program. So what I will do, I'll go for a save as. Okay, and I'll give the different file name. Let us say I want to create a employee class. Okay, so I'm giving the class name as file name is employee.java, and this. Okay, and save this. Now I did the save as. Okay, I'm given here employee, and now change this class name to employee, and now give the message, hello, welcome to employee class. Instead of this message, I'm giving this message. And now I will save this and go to the command prompt, and I need to recompile this program. Okay, so java c -d, again I have a package, right? So I have to use -d. And what is the name of the class this time? I'm given, so I'm given employee.java. So you can enter here, and we can see the execution is means compilation is success. And go back to the folder and check, see employee, this is the source file, and this is also source file, previously created one. And now if I'm open the first package, okay, so you can see there are two dot class files, and which is present in the same package. Now if I want to run this one, so I have to say java, and what package name, okay, followed by class name. So I have to say first package dot what is the class name we have given this time, employee, right? So now you can see the message, hello, welcome to employee class. And suppose now you want to create a sub package in this. So how do you create a sub package? Suppose I'm going to, again I will do the save as here. I want to show you how to create a sub package. So this time I'll give the class name is let us say department. Okay, and department dot java, and click on the save. And where it is saved, once you can please check. Okay, so go to the D drive, and here you can see department dot java, the file is saved. And now I need to change the class name to the department. Okay, And here I'm just giving just to understand, I'm changing the message. Okay, department welcome, hello, welcome to department class. And now I want to create a sub package here. So first package dot sub package, the name I'm giving it as a sub package only. And now just save this and try to compile it again. So you know how to compile, we have to use java c hyphen d. And what is the name of the class now which we have given? Department dot java, right? So if I run this and see the it is compiled successfully, and go here, and you can see the department, the source file is already there, and there is a first package. And if I open this first package, we can see here the sub package folder is created. Earlier it was not there, now it is created. And if you open this, we have the department dot class file. Okay, so like this we can create a sub package. And now if I want to run this, okay, see, I'm in which folder right now? I'm in sample folder, right? And you know the dot class file of the department is present in the first package, and then it is inside first package, inside sub package. There are two packages are there. Okay, this is main package and this is sub package. So I have to use first main package, that is first package dot sub package dot department. Now if I say enter, see, I'll get a message, hello, welcome to department class. Okay, so like this we can use the different packages. Means we can create a package and we can store the classes into that package. How to store the class into that package? Like while creating the class itself, you can give the package name the way I shown you here. That means I'm storing this particular class in this package. So like this, any number of sub packages we can, if you want, we can keep creating it. Inside this I want one more, or you want completely different package, you can create completely different package. Okay, so I'll show you one more, how do you create a completely different package. So you can go again as a save as, and I will give here the name this time as student dot java, and click on save it. Okay, so now I will change the package name as student pack, like this. And the name of the class we need to change, that is student class, student public static void main. And here give the message welcome to student class. Now save this and go to command prompt and try to run it again. Means first we need to compile, and we know again we are using a package, so we have to use hyphen d, and then say student dot java. Now enter, and yeah, so it is executed, means it is compiled now. And you can see after the compilation, just go to the sample folder, and there is a first package. Earlier there was only first package, but now we can see there is a student package, the new package is created. And if you open this, there is only student dot class file is there. So now if you want to run this student class, so java, and then in which package this student is there, in the student package, right? So student pack dot student you have to say, and run it. So it will give you hello, welcome to student class. Okay, So like this, by using the notepad, means by using the command prompt, whenever you have package, you can create a package. So what all we discussed, first we discussed what is the Java here, and then we discussed like what are the advantages of an Java. Okay, so we can use Java for preventing naming conflicts. So you can, right now I have created a two packages, right? First package and student package. So in the first package also I can create a student, so it will not give me error. That is preventing the naming complexities, and making searching and locating the classes easy, and providing the controlled access. And to separate a dot class, this I have shown you just now, how do you separate a dot class file and Java file. And we can import this one, okay, from one classes to another class. This I will explain you in my next video. Okay, so please keep watching. And we do have a predefined classes we studied. So I hope all of you understood this topic. How do you create packages, how do you compile it, how do you run it? Okay, thank you so much, and like and subscribe my channel, and keep watching my next channels for the next topic. Thank you so much.